The journey of the green chili pepper begins here, under the relentless sun. In the fertile ground, the foundation for flavor and fire is laid.
From a mere seed, life emerges with astonishing speed.
Careful monitoring ensures the health of every potential harvest. Optimal hydration, delivered precisely where it's needed. Every stage of growth is meticulously recorded and managed. Natural pest management, protecting the crop organically. The human touch remains vital for premium cultivation.
Nature's perfect partnership, the delicate process of pollination.
Ready. The moment of harvest is upon us.
Dawn Braze on the day of the harvest.
Speed and precision are critical to maintain peak freshness. The first batch is secured, ready for the next stage of its journey. Destination, the state-of-the-art processing facility.
Every crate is accounted for, ensuring full traceability.
The initial, critical step, a thorough, gentle cleansing.
Human oversight guarantees only the finest chilies proceed. Precision slicing, preparing the chili for preservation.
A carefully balanced brine solution is added to lock in freshness. Ready for packaging, the final controlled transfer. High-speed automation ensures efficiency and consistency in every jar. Heat sterilization ensures shelf stability and purity. The final touch, branding and quality assurance. Ready for distribution, carrying the taste of the field to the world.
Looks great, Lisa.
Perfect quality, Elijah.
A partnership of field and factory, guaranteeing perfection. From the fertile fields, the zest and fire reaches every corner.
The perfect ingredient, ready to ignite any recipe.
the culmination of a long, careful process. Pure flavor.
The day is done. The harvest preserved. The cycle awaits its return.
Beneath the surface, the essential network draws sustenance.
A steady transfer of energy fuels the growth of the fruit. Precise data collection dictates the timing of water and care. A delicate ecological balance protects the crop from within.
Nourishment is delivered in sustainable, slow-release form.
The essence of the chili, capsaicin, begins to form.
Lessons from generations past guide the modern farm.
A season of cultivation comes to its ripe conclusion.
Shared effort, sustained by community and rest. Efficiency born of experience, maximizing the yield.
Traceability begins at the source, recording every crate.
Careful transfer, minimizing time and potential damage. Connecting the farm directly to the heart of the region.
A continuous supply of purified water is essential for the process.
Harnessing light for an extra layer of food safety. The brine's exact formulation is verified in the quality lab.
A formula perfected for flavor and longevity.
The moment the ingredients combine to create the final flavor.
Triple checked, guaranteeing a perfect, airtight seal. Consistency and quality, the promise in every batch.
The source of the pepper's heat and unique therapeutic properties.
Green chili. A perfect balance of flavor and mild, controllable heat. A gentle warmth, stimulating the senses without overwhelming the palate. Harnessing the sun's energy for maximum vitality and flavor. Selection of the best genetics ensures the quality of the next generation.
The ancient cycle of life begins anew from one single point.
A quick 6-stage transition from seed to a marketable crop.
A clean, sustainable water source is the lifeblood of the farm.
Continuous soil analysis guides nutrient management.
Signs of a healthy, vibrant ecosystem underground.
Protecting the heavy bounty from the elements. Ensuring every drop of water is perfectly measured. The very first sign of a successful harvest. Full capacity, the moment of peak efficiency.
Calibration checks maintain the absolute uniformity of the final product.
Mineral balance is meticulously controlled for the perfect cure.
Removing all air ensures the long-term integrity of the flavor. Rapid cooling locks in the fresh flavor profile. The precision of robotics handles the final, delicate stage. Commitment to quality, from our farm to your table.
The journey continues, reaching consumers across the globe.
Arriving on shelves, a new ingredient for every kitchen.
The seal is broken. The preserved freshness is released.
Versatile and vibrant, an essential ingredient in global cuisine.
A quick shear enhances the aroma and deepens the flavor profile.
Adding a fresh, vibrant kick to classic comfort food.
The universal language of flavor and satisfaction. Yum!
Beyond the plate, an exciting new dimension for creative mixology.
The work never truly ends. Planning for the future starts today.
The perennial commitment to the land, cultivation continues.
Exacting standards, consistently achieved.
The marriage of land and technology, creating the taste of tomorrow. Nurturing the most delicate stage of growth.
Monitoring photosynthetic health for maximum output.
Dedication to a pure crop, eliminating competition naturally. From flower to fruit, the rapid, miraculous transformation.
Water conservation at peak performance, a sustainable approach.
A day of growth ends in a moment of quiet reflection.
Systematic maintenance ensures zero downtime and peak performance. Hygiene is paramount. Every surface is sanitized daily.
Technology guarantees only the most perfect produce moves forward.
Waste is minimized, with all organic material properly repurposed. Purity maintained from mixing to final bottling.
Ensuring an absolutely sterile environment for the final product.
Every lid is pristine and perfectly aligned for sealing. Precise thermal control guarantees uniformity and safety.
Clean, perfect application ensures brand quality.
Final quality assurance. Every jar meets the precise weight specification. Securely sealed for the long journey ahead. Efficient logistics. Automated transport within the secure warehouse. Optimizing storage for a constant supply chain.
As you can see, the yield optimization hit 95% this quarter.
That's excellent. The streamlined process really paid off.
Harnessing the full power of the sun and sustainable resource management.
Constant, vigilant inspection ensures the well-being of the entire crop.
promise of abundance, held within the delicate bloom.
Protected and nourished, the fruit reaches its peak maturity.
The pinnacle of the cycle, a bountiful and efficient harvest.
Every stage of processing is digitally monitored and recorded. Blockchain technology ensures a tamper-proof record of origin.
Continuous monitoring guarantees the integrity of the cleaning process.
Old world checks meet new world technology for absolute accuracy.
A rhythmic, continuous flow ensures the speed of the line.
Batch integrity is recorded for every cycle of heat treatment.
The final human check before packaging. Perfection is the only standard. Secure packaging for long-distance transport.
Protecting the product from all external factors.
Seamless transition from the factory floor to global distribution.
The harvest is secured. The next phase of the journey begins.
Traveling across borders to reach every destination.
Precision logistics ensures on-time delivery to every customer.
Are these all going to the main office?
Yes, that's the last one for today.
Delivering the freshness directly to local communities.
Here's the latest shipment.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
From our hands to yours, a chain of trust and quality.
Elevating the everyday meal with fresh, vibrant flavor.
Ultimate reward. Sharing the bounty of the earth with those you love.
Harnessing renewable energy for a low-carbon footprint operation.
Water conservation through advanced closed-loop recycling. Sharing knowledge, mentoring the next generation of sustainable farmers. Data-driven farming, allocating resources with micro-level precision. Localized care minimizes waste and optimizes plant health. Building soil health naturally, a long-term commitment to the land.
Sustainable practices yield a harvest that is both bountiful and responsible.
Maintaining a pristine, dust-free environment for food safety.
Every batch parameter is digitally audited and approved.
Acoustic technology verifies the integrity of the vacuum seal.
Permanent traceability. A secure, non-removable batch identification.
Guaranteeing the correct number of units in every single box. Intelligent automation ensures a safe and efficient workplace.
Full transparency. Trace the product back to its farm of origin.
Details on our commitment to clean, responsible processing. Fresh flavor, instantly converted into a vibrant, versatile sauce. The final, flavorful flourish on a gourmet creation. From the fertile field to the world's most discerning tables.
Innovation for tomorrow. Exploring water-efficient cultivation techniques.
Connecting directly with the community, sharing the story of the harvest.
Try a little piece. It's perfectly mild.
Wow, that's delicious.
Educating consumers on the true source of our quality, the earth.
Validated heat. A consistent, mild warmth for universal appeal.
Microbial purity confirmed for absolute consumer safety. Reaching all corners, satisfying every culinary need.
The ultimate result, a perfectly preserved, pure, and potent green chili.
Seasonal rest, protecting the tools for the next cycle. Preparation for renewal. The selection of the strongest genetics.
Our culture, safety, precision, and a commitment to continuous learning.
Prioritizing the well-being of every team member, every hour.
Data-driven optimization projects a more efficient harvest next year.
Investing in research for resilience and environmental adaptability.
Borrowing technology. Automation aids precision farming in the field.
Commitment to innovation across the entire supply chain, including packaging.
Every choice reflects a commitment to the environment. Giving back. Sharing our quality harvest with the wider community.
See how the vibrant green contrasts with the stew. Stir it slowly now, making sure everything is combined.
Food connecting people, building stronger, healthier communities.
Thank you.
The commitment remains. Quality, sustainability, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Pure flavor. Pure quality. Green chili perfection. Everything that follows begins with the perfect fruit.
The reward of a hard day's work under the setting sun.
Perfectly packaged. Consistency and visual appeal in every container.
The final piece, concluding the packaging stage with precision. The earth rests, only to be awakened for the next cycle of life.
The marigolds keep the pests away naturally.
Yes, this diagram explains it well.
Continuous improvement, adopting advanced natural farming techniques.
Nature in harmony. A thriving, protected environment for the crop. The invisible foundation. A complex, healthy web of microbial life.
Innovation bearing fruit, a step toward a more resilient future.
Quiet precision,
Efficiency engineered to minimize environmental impact.
It's a pleasure to finally meet you in person.
Lightest of you.
Telecommunications.
Likewise. I've heard great things about your operation.
The product speaks for itself. A gift of pure, quality flavor.
Inspiring culinary creativity across the globe.
Translated quality. Our commitment transcends all borders. Wisdom of the past, powered by the innovation of today.
Preserved perfection, standing the test of time.
The complete cycle. Dedication at every stage. A global flavor, grown and crafted with local passion. The delicate balance of nature's early moisture.
Continuous innovation, upgrading technology for peak performance.
High-pressure homogenization guarantees perfect flavor distribution.
Zero tolerance for flaws. Immediate isolation of any rejected product. The run is complete. Another perfect batch, safely prepared. Sustainable farming proves to be both responsible and profitable.
We did it, team! Great job, everyone!
Beyond the brine, the versatility of the green chili inspires innovation.
Pure flavor extraction, creating a new culinary staple.
Passing on the knowledge, empowering the next generation of home growers.
The journey is complete. The flavor is eternal. Green chili, the taste of the earth, delivered by a commitment to perfection.